My husband really prefers gifts that he can actually use. So when I find something that's practical and sentimental and gift ready in a really attractive box that's masculine with a carrying case, I felt like this was a win. I love that it's multifunctional, multi-use in one. Blade seems durable, comes pre-sharpened. It's got both the straight and the serrated edge. It is stainless steel with the titanium plating for rust resistance, and it does have a safety mechanism in place. You do have to put the lock over to loosen it, and then it folds nice and easily. But once you straighten it, the lock does hold it in place. I love that this thing has an integrated mini LED flashlight. You simply turn it on and it stores. I've had times where I've had car issues and my cell phone flashlight just couldn't get in there. I love that I can take this out, twist it on, and get into all those tight nooks and crannies, especially with those new crazy batteries that cars have. It's not overwhelmingly bright, but it would do the job. Also, it is water resistant up to 2 minutes. So God forbid you do find yourself in an underwater situation, you would have a light to assist you. And the other end has a magnesium fire starter. You can also remove this. Love that you needed a fire. You would have accessibility to that. It slides out and you can slide it back in. Two other car features. It does have a seat belt or a rope cutter integrated, as well as a glass brake should you be stuck. The handle is aluminum with a carrying case, lightweight with that integrated personal touch. Really easy to hold for me. It's got a nice grip. I do think it'd work great in an emergency, like a camping situation. Even for some heavy duty task, it could be used in self-defense should you need. It does cut right through this pretty heavy duty nylon rope when I have it on the flat blade. As far as dimensions, it's measuring about 8.5 inches for me. The blade is about 3.5. The handle itself is around 5 inches, and it does have the carrying bag that's about 6 inches. Let's see if I can compress that, release the safety, fold it up. It is kind of a nylon bag with a Velcro hold, slides right in with extra room. It does come with extra batteries as well, and then shuts nice and close with that carrying through the loophole if you need it. Overall, I find carrying multiple tools for various tasks can really be cumbersome and inefficient, especially outdoors or in emergencies. And I do love that it's reliable, it's ready to go, it's a 6-in-1, and it could be exactly what you need. The features and the benefits look pretty solid to me. It does seem durable. If you found this helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.